Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Thomas Fross with Fross and Fross Wealth Management with your weekly market and economic update for the week of October 4th, 2021. As always, please make sure you read the disclosures that were attached to this video, or if you happen to be watching on social media, you can simply go to www.frossandfross.com and read any of the disclosures that you might find therein. So, with September coming to an end and October beginning, we reflect on what the month of October has had in store in the past. And we look to October this year with hope for a better month, better than September at least, with September ending the winning streak for the S&P 500 that lasted 7 straight months, which is phenomenal. It was the worst month of the year for the S&P 500. But to put it in perspective, after 7 great months, we only saw a 4.76% pullback in September. And frankly, the fall in September really was no surprise because September has historically been the worst month for stocks in any of the months of the calendar year. However, when we look at calendar year trends, October doesn't have an awesome reputation. And you might wonder why, because a lot of people think of October as a disastrous month for stocks. There have been several crashes that have occurred during the month of October, notably 1929, 1987, and we probably all remember the financial crisis of 2008. For that reason, people think of they think of October as being a bad month. But the month really isn't such a villain when we look at the data. As a matter of fact, in recent years, October is actually ranked the fourth best month out of all 12 months for the stock market. So, not the best, but definitely not the worst either. October is notorious for its high volatility, though. That's true. We see more plus and minus 1% moves than any other month. It also sees some of the biggest one-day moves. It's also been a long time since we have seen a correction here in 2021. And so the fact is we are a bit overdue. The fourth quarter is generally the best quarter for stocks. And while this month, the reputation at least might seem a little spooky, we feel it's an opportune time to add to core positions during the weakness that we potentially could see this month. A strategy that assists in optimizing profits during short-term price moves while holding long-term positions. So what's the point that we're trying to get across is don't let the month of October scare you into making any rash decisions. We encourage you to stay the course, focus on long-term goals, not short-term volatility. Remember, we're investors and we're not traders. And let's follow it through to the end of the year. On a side note, I just want to remind all of you about the Pink Polo Classic that will be occurring October the 16th, which is not this Saturday, but next Saturday at 1 o'clock through 6 p.m. It's going to be at the Polo Club. Tickets are on sale at www.pinkpoloclassic.org. And all the proceeds are going to the American Cancer Society. My dear wife happens to be the chairwoman for this incredible cause. We've got a lot of calls and questions. Are there tickets left? Yes, there are tickets left. It'll be a beautiful event. And you might be saying, I've already been to Polo. This is different. This will be a really cool event for a really great cause. COVID has put a lot of things on hold, but it has not put cancer on hold. And I think most of us have been affected by cancer. Certainly my family has, and I know most of your families are. So please come out and support a wonderful cause. Once again, tickets are on sale, www.pinkpoloclassic.org. We look forward to seeing all of you out there. Have a wonderful day.